All right, so we're trying to solve a problem which appeared in JEE Mains 2019. In this question, uh, we have been asked to find the length of a focal chord, which the focal chord is actually passing through the point 1,4. And then, uh, of course, we have to find the other end of the focal chord and then find the length of the focal chord. So to do that, what we will do first, we will, again, just for our reference, we will try drawing a parabola, and then we will jot down all the information which we have here, right? So whatever information we have, we will just make a note of it. So first of all, the parabola is given as y square equals to 16x. So we will write it in the form 4ax. So this will become 4 into 4 into x. Now this is what is my a. So my focus will be a comma 0, which is 4 comma 0. Now one end of the focal chord is given, which is at 1, 4. And then this focal chord, basically this chord will sort of pass through this focus, and then it will end up over here. So we'll have to find out the length of this AB itself, right? So how do I do it? So as I said, this is a simple problem. So in this problem, we will not be trying to make use of the property which we already in a way know that end of the focal chord will be in what format. So we will try to solve it using a traditional method. So this could be used in other places as well. So whenever you have to find the length of the any chord. So what do I do here is I'll find the equation of this line itself. And then because there are 2 points given, once I find the equation of this line, I'll substitute it in this equation itself and then find 2 roots. So this will give me the other point, and then I'll find the distance. That is what I'll do over here. So I know that the equation of the line which is passing through 2 points could be given as y minus y1 upon y2 minus y1 equals to x minus x1 upon x2 minus x1. So we'll take those points as this. So we'll take this as x1, y1, x2, y2. So then we will have y minus y1, which is y minus 0, y1 minus y2, which is 0 minus 4, and then x minus x1, which is x minus 4, and then y1 minus y2, which is, sorry, x2 minus x1, which is 4 minus 1, right? So what I got over here is that this y has become minus 4 by 3 into x minus 4. I've got a simple equation. What I'll do is I'll substitute it in this equation and find the 2 roots so that I could make use of that to find the length of this focal chord. So y square equals to 4x, then this means that minus 4 by 3 into x minus 4 whole squared is actually equal to 16x. And this will become 16 upon 9. And this is going to be x minus 4 whole squared equals to 16x. So 16 cancels. Then we will expand as this x square minus 8x plus 16 equals to 9x. 9x comes this side. This will become x square minus 17x plus 16. Now I can factorize it by splitting the middle term, and this will become x square minus x minus 16x, and then, oops, 16x, and then plus 16 equals to 0. And then x is going to be x minus 1 minus 16 is going to be x minus 1. So equals to 0. So then I'll get two values of x, which will be x equals to 1 and 16. So x equals to 1 is already known. So the other one is x equals to 16. So this point is 16. I substitute 16 here to get y. Then this will be giving me minus 4 by 3 into 16 minus 4, which is 12. And this will become minus 4 by 3 into 12, which is 3 4s are 12. And this will become minus 16. So I got this other point as minus 16. Now I know the length of this focal chord could be x2 minus x1 whole squared and mine plus y2 minus y1 whole squared, right? So this could be written as x2 minus x1, which is 16 minus 1 whole squared plus minus 16 minus 4 whole squared, right? Which could become 225. This is 15, 15 is 225, and this is 20 square, which is 400. This will make it 625, which will make it 25. Yeah, so this 25 would be your answer. Okay. So we could also use the parametric form and solve it. You might find those solutions online. You can check that out. But in general, we could use this approach also. Every time you want to find the length of a chord or something, just substitute the value of this equation, the lines equation, into the curves equation, and then find the 2 points and then find the length of the focal chord. All right. So yeah, that's all for today. If you have any questions, do ask me in the comment section below, and I'll be really happy to answer your queries. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.